Hello, dosto. So let's see the next day intraday prediction. So this trade will be on coming Monday. That's the 24th April 2023. So let's see which stock we can trade on Monday. So before that, like few points, right? So this is only for educational purpose. So make sure you know your risk and reward before taking any trade. So this prediction is based on technical indicators and with my past experience. So the trade is short in art industries. So the trade date is you already know, which is 24th April, which is Monday. And these are few stock script name and the stock name. And we have to take a short position. And these are the prices, the enterprise and target and SL. So I made sure 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So the point of like entry is something we have to look when market opens. If it is too far away from the that entry range, so please don't take trade. If it is somewhere very close, 0.3% here and there, then you may probably take this trade, or else you just don't take this trade. So the technical indicators, why what I generally use is RSI and Bollinger Bands, which is kind of standard deviation. That's one of the very cool feature which is like from the statistics. I use it to gauge the price movement. And stochastic RSI is supportive to RSI. I use these three. And let's see our analysis in chart. So I have captured everything. I just noted down all the information so that we'll not waste too much time in drawing all the information. So here, so you see this one, okay? So it is going out of the Bollinger Band. If you this is a Bollinger Band, it is getting out of the Bollinger Band, which is it's going away from the mean. So most of the time, whenever a stock goes too much away from the mean, the tendency is that the stock will come down to mean. Okay, if you see it happened here and then it came down, but when it will come down, that we can gauge using the RSI. So whenever the overbought, whenever RSI is above 70 or 80, that value we generally treat them as overbought, and then buying will not happen. That is what we gauge. So it's the same condition here also. It crossed like 70, and then it's coming down. And even stochastic RSI is also giving a sign that it will come down, and it will come down in RSI also. And even in a Bollinger Band, which is a standard deviation, it crossed and now it's coming back. So there's a possibility that it will come down. So these three indicators giving us a sign that on Monday, the art industry may correct, may come down till the mean. So with this price, the 562 is the stop loss. What we figured it out because of the support here. So what we thought, it may not cross this support. That's why we kept our SL little above this. In case, at worst case, if it crosses, then there is no resistance and the stock may go up. So to avoid that, we'll put this SL. And then this is a range. Please try to make sure your entry is in proper range. If it opens close to resistance or close to stop loss, don't take trade. If it opens close to target, please don't take trade. Somewhere in this range, if it opens, make sure it's not too much gap. If it opens with slight gap, little up, above and down, and then you can take this trade. I hope this gives much clarity of how you can take this trade. And one more thing I forgot to tell in the beginning. So I use 15 minutes chart so that we get some time to take a position. So the thing is that when we drill down to a lower time frame, it's very, very complex, and catching the price becomes very complex. As and when we go higher time frame, it makes us no, to analyze easily. So the same thing if you go at 1 hour or 1 day or a 1 month or a weekly, that we use for a like very long term or a positional trade like 6 months to 1 year. So that time we use the high time frame, but this for intraday. So I feel 15 minutes is considerably good time frame to read the chart and note down the stop loss, entry, and target prices. So I hope this gives the a clear picture. Let's see what happens on Monday. Let me clear the anecdotes. Okay, so I wish you all the best. And one more thing, what I do, I shall analyze and post the tomorrow's or a next day in case of holiday, the next day intraday prediction in the evening or maybe late night, uh, so that you get it handy when you see this video. So if you want to know when I upload that moment, you want to know the notification, then you can subscribe and you can just click on that bell icon so that you get the notification, and then you can see all analysis and along with the stock details. So wish you all the best, and always make sure to know your risk and reward ratio. All the best. Thank you.